Hi, I'm Brian and this is Griff, and we're both from the Student Housing Services here at the University of Guelph. Today we're going to be showing you how to complete your online application for student housing for the upcoming year.
Before we begin, there are a few things that we'll need. A computer with internet access, your acceptance package, your 7-pin student number in the acceptance package. Please do not confuse this with your OUAC number. A list of your top 4 residence choices. Please note that you cannot pick the same residence and room type multiple times in your top 4 choices. Also note that the 3 south residences, Mountain, Prairie, and Maritime, are considered 3 different residences. Additional information is available in your congratulations booklet or online in the links provided below. Now that we have everything that we need, let's head on over to the computer and fill out the application. The first thing that we want to do is open the University of Guelph Housing website, housing.uoguelph.ca, or type in Guelph Housing in Google and clicking the first link. On the bottom left-hand corner of the front page, there is a link that says Congratulations. Click on the Congratulations link and scroll to the bottom of the page, then click on the link to the 2018 Online Residence Application link. This is the important messages section. Right now it says no completed application, but after you submit an application, you can check the status of your application here. Continuing down the page, there's a chart of deadlines for every application type. Here we are assuming that you are a first-year student, in which case the residence deposit is due Friday, June 1st, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. This next part is very important because you must indicate which application you are filling out. In this case, we are looking for Fall 2018, Winter 2019 first-year student application. Once you've selected that, click Next and continue onto the housing agreement page. You can read this on your own time, but for now we're clicking Agree and continuing on to the next page. Here we are given a list of all the major residences and the names of their subsections. You can refer back to the congratulations booklet included in your acceptance package or online in the links provided below. Continuing down the page, this is where we're going to fill out some personal information and preferences. This is so that housing services can better accommodate the needs of students. First, enter your gender identity. Next, rank which residences you prefer, with the highest being first and the lowest being fourth. In the additional requests area, this is where you can indicate whether or not you're a smoker, or if you need to live in a study-intensive area, etc. Once again, this information is useful to housing services in determining the best fit for your needs. This next part is very important, as it is where you're going to pick the size of your meal plan. The smallest size is minimum, and the largest size is varsity. Every meal plan option has the ability to add a textbook plan. The textbook plan allows students to purchase textbooks from the university bookstore at a discounted rate using their student card. Here we're going to fill out some additional information. And here we're going to fill out the emergency contact information in case something happens. We need the information of a parent or guardian who is of 18 years of age or older. At the bottom of the page, we see a drop-down menu for holiday accommodation. This is for students who anticipate on staying in res during the break between the fall and winter semester. Finally, the selection menu for our top 4 residence choices. This is where having a list comes in handy, as it will reduce confusion when browsing the drop-down menu. Okay, great. We submitted the application, but we also need to put down a $750 deposit in order for the application to be processed. Both things need to be done before June 1st. Here's how to pay your deposit. You can use a certified check, a debit card, Interact if you come into our offices in person, or cash if electronic payment is not an option, but we do not accept credit cards, personal checks, PayPal, or email money transfers. Here's how to pay your fees electronically. Log into your bank account, in this case I'm using TD. Go to the bank account that you wish to withdraw money from, in this case I'm going to be using a checking account. Click the Pay Bill button, select a payee, and click on the Add a Payee option. Type in the University of Guelph residence fees and select it. Once you've selected that payee, your account number is your 7-digit student number. After adding the University of Guelph residence deposit as a payee, go back to your bank account and click Pay Bill. Type in $750 as the amount and submit. After your application has been submitted, you can add preferred roommates to your application. These applications are done online and will be available starting on Wednesday, June 6, 2018. You will receive more information in your UO Guelph email account. It is also important to note that all roommate requests must be mutual.
So a little bit more information on how the selection process actually works. This is you. Once you complete your application and submit a $750 deposit, and you finish it before June 1st, you then get put into a pool where all the other applicants have done the exact same thing you have, but a computer-generated program will randomly select students from that pool and go to their application, and will look through their choices. First, they'll look at the first choice. If it's full, it'll go on to the next choice until an open spot is available. And that concludes our how-to video on how to apply to res. If you have any questions, please contact us at the University of Guelph Student Housing Services. Best of luck on your applications, and we'll see you in the fall.